And of course, I also have the former vice chairman of Warina local government area in Delta State, talking about the person of Honorable Dio Tanga. Please put your hands together for him. Put your hands together. Celebrate him. Celebrate him. Currently is the senior special advisor to the Delta State Governor on community development. More able to you, I recognize you, sir, Honorable Dio Tanga. I say very big welcome to you. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I also have the person of Ebikefe Ariri, the latest Ayoroye, one of the Niger Delta. He's just returned back from his honeymoon. Please let us celebrate him.
Let's jam our hands together. Welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman of this wonderful occasion is here fully on ground.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, invited guests and friends, personalities all across the globe from the nooks and crannies of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is with great honor and simplicity of humility that I want to recognize the presence of today's chairman. The chairman of this event is simplicity personified. He is a philanthropist, is a man of his word, is a man who have actually established himself in the committee of business and within the mongrel of captains of industries. Is a personality that has traversed the nooks and crannies of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, extending his tentacles to offshore. And that is no other person than Our Excellency, distinguished amiable personality, simply called Sir City Ojowuro. That is our distinguished chairman.
City.
Jam our hands together. Please jam your hands together.
The CEO.
Jam your hands together.
The OC Plan Global Nigeria Resources. Let's celebrate our chairman. Top ladies, celebrate our chairman.
Okay, please let's jam our hands together. I want to tell you when it's time to do what the chairman needs to do, you will see him speak. He believes in action. Now, quickly, in the paraphernalia of the chairman, permit me to recognize the presence of Madam Felicia Bobo. In absentia, she is the chair lady of today's event and occasion. If there is any representative on our behalf, please let us know in due course.
She's already. Chair lady,
okay.
Top
Chair lady. Oh, I can't see your voice.
Top ladies,
Top ladies, Madam Felicia and the entire crew, thank you very much for coming. I recognize the presence of Mrs. Ubekoro Rebecca. Ubekoro Rebecca, Huawei, Vice Chair Lady. Please, wherever you are, your presence is recognized. Thank you. We must understand that without the neck, the head is moveless.
Ladies and gentlemen, just joining us is Honorable Spencer Akbaye. You are highly welcome. And that's a wonderful introduction. I have Comrade Segun. Comrade Segun is also a wonderful introduction. Of course, I have Chief Atilabo, and not forgetting Owefa, Mr. Felix. You are highly welcome.
MC Abioka, to put the record straight, I make mention to note that Honorable Spencer Akbaye is the SSA to the Delta State Governor on political matters and is also the father of the day. Shall we please jam our hands together? Honorable Spencer, you welcome, is the father of the day, is the SSA to the Delta State Governor on political matters.
Okay, yes.
Please, thank you, so that we don't take much of our time. I therefore crave your indulgence, having stood on the existing protocols, to make way for the introduction of the Ijaw Youth Forum executive members. Wherever you are, I crave your indulgence that we listen with rapt attention to the members of the executive team of the Ijaw Youth Forum that have gathered us here together today as a people.
Ladies and gentlemen, Just joining us is one man that we call Timber and Caliber, not only in the Shekiri land, not only in the Ijaw land, but also in the Niger Delta. Ladies and gentlemen, just joining us is Honorable Siva Green, aka Iron, one of the Niger Delta. Let us celebrate him. Let us celebrate him.
Shall we celebrate one of our own?
You don't say the last party when I go, waiting Iron do for me, I go talk am. Oga Iron, make una come up for my front. Make I talk the good thing wey Oga Iron don do for me. Honorable Iron, last 2 months I dey for Port Harcourt. As I dey Port Harcourt, make una lis ten o. When I dey Port Harcourt, I come call Honorable Iron. I don dey stranded. Now I come call Honorable Iron. I say, Honorable Iron, now the Egbema MC they call you. Now I say, oh my brother, where you dey? I say, oh God, I dey Port Harcourt. Now he say, man, I look opposite me anything when I see, make I tell him. Beyond I look opposite, I see First Bank. Now tell Oga Iron say, Oga, now First Bank now they see you. Oga Iron say, make I enter the First Bank. Make I call a name, they go give me something. I feel saying a joke. Now I enter the First Bank. As I enter First Bank, straight I go meet manager. As I call Oga Iron name, give the manager of the bank. Straight ahead, 300,000. Nothing, I thought this man good. I can't come out. I can't travel go Lagos for another show. I don't know any time when I say I dey stranded. Only Iron, they always enter my mind. For Lagos, I can't call Oga Iron again. Now so Oga Iron, now your boy, you are some guy security for the good way you do for me the last time. He said, yeah, you know, but I say Oga Iron, I dey Lagos. I dey for Lekki phase 2. And I say, look opposite to what you dey see. I say, Oga Iron, and they see Zenith Bank. He say, enter there, you know the matter. They go give you something. Beyond affixing a joke, I enter Zenith Bank. I go meet the manager. As I call Iron name, 200,000. Last week here, I can't go on the shop. Please make some noise for Honorable Siva Green, a philanthropist in the Niger Delta.
Honorable D. Ebenezer, your presence is recognized wherever you are. Thank you.
Permit me quickly to call to the fourth cardinal point, the president of this noble forum, the president of this wonderful people gathered together as executive. Sir, Chief A.B. Eyemi is the president of this wonderful forum. Chief A.B. Eyemi, please come out, come out. You have to be on the front podium here now. Please come out. Wherever you are, Chief A.B. Eyemi is the president of the Ijaw Youth Forum. Sapele, the entire executives, as I call your names, please let's file out. Chief A.B., the president, you welcome. Please come out. Engineer Adolphus Buna, the vice president. Please let's line up in that order. Ambassador Agbo Emomatimi, the general secretary. Please go ahead and make a queue. Continuous. Comrade Ugula Moses, the public relations officer. Miss Danyepa Noba, the noble treasurer. Mr. Blessing Aluo, the assistant secretary. Prince Meleke Owe, financial secretary. Honorable Joseph Omoni, organizing secretary. Mr. Abel Osemi, provost. And last but not the least on that order is Barrister Abel Pereton Buffer, legal advisor. Please, are we complete up there? Thank you. I have 10 of us here, distinguished members of this wonderful forum as executives. Thank you.
They are the reason for this wonderful celebration, and I are using today to mark an Ijaw Day, a wonderful celebration in Sapele, and that is why they have invited both friends around, far and wide, all the way from Yenegua, all the way from Wari, all the way from other kingdoms, to join them in this wonderful inauguration celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, I still have here on ground Honorable Marshal Hekpe.
These are the wonderful members of the Executive Council of the Ijaw Youth Forum, Sapele Axis. Just a brief one. A brief one. Let's take note, please.
I don't mean to say much, but this is what I'm going to say.
Ladies and gentlemen, to take the welcome address from the Joy Youth Council, permit me, a Joy Youth Forum rather, permit me to welcome the Secretary of the Forum
On behalf of the President.
on behalf of the President to come to the microphone stand to give us the welcome address.
Okay.
The nickname now mandate before so.
Namandimus. Okay. Please, before you do that, let's say something about this because there's something we need to know. Come. Now, please, wherever you are, let's note this. If there's nothing you're going to take home from this occasion, take this home. That the Ijaw Youth Forum Sapele Axis is an embodiment of the entire Ijaws in Nigeria. It is not just cutting across only Delta State, but its tentacles spread across wherever the Ijaws are seen on the axis called Planet Nigeria. So please take note. Having said that, I wish to establish a fact, MC Abioka, that the Ijaws are the 4th largest ethnic group in Nigeria, and that is why they cut across different states. Mr. President, thank you for giving us your amiable secretary to give us your welcoming address and speech. Thank you. Mr. President, on behalf of the President, you know the President, thank you. Over to you.
Our own former Commissioner, Sir Honorable Joe Bissina here present. Our own Okpe Council of Chiefs here present. Other youth bodies here present. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to observe all protocols. I'm here standing on behalf of the chairman, rather the president of the Joy Youth Forum Sapele, to present the welcome address. Of course, my name is Comrade Ambassador Emotimi Egbo, Secretary Joy Youth Forum, representing the chairman to take the welcome address. Welcome address presented by the president of the Joy Youth Forum Sapele on the occasion of the ESCO inauguration party held on the 28th day of December 2019 at Athletic Club Sapele. Thank and appreciate the Almighty God for His love and compassion over us to witness this Yuletide season. I am indeed very happy to have the honor and privilege to welcome you all to this important gathering. Despite the short notice and your tight schedules, you came out in your numbers to identify with us on this historic day, which marks the beginning of great achievement in the lives of you, in the lives of our youth living within Sapele and its environment. As a matter of fact, coming together as one indivisible people for the purpose of developing ideas collectively to enhance and sustain the age-long peace between our neighbors and also contribute positively to the society becomes our priority. Hence, the formation of this enviable forum come to limelight. Sequel to the above, I want to sincerely use this medium to humbly crave the indulgence of our youth to shun all forms of violence and other criminal activities like cultism, political thuggery, armed robbery, pipeline vandalism, kidnapping, drug addiction, and other social vices that will dent our image. We should ensure to channel our energies on education and also acquire good skills that will guarantee us a brighter future. Furthermore, on behalf of my co-executive members, we shall work in line with the aims and objectives of this noble forum and promise not to betray the trust reposed in us. As we continue to discharge our duties with the highest level of transparency and accountability. Above all, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to our leaders and other philanthropists who contributed financially and otherwise to support us to make this inaugural party a huge success. May the good God endlessly enrich you to add more value to the lives of our youth. On this note, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to once again welcome you and wish you fruitfulness and enjoyable season, while in the same vein, thank you for honoring our invitation. I also wish you journey mercies as you return to your various destinations. Long live Nigeria, long live Delta State, long live Ijaw Youth Forum, long live all that are here present. I wish you a happy and a prosperous New Year in advance. Chief A.B. Eyemi, the Ibe-Egbewi of Ibema Kingdom, President Ijaw Youth Forum, Sapele. Thank you. Please.
Okay. Let's have our hands together.
Mr. Chairman, sir, of this wonderful occasion, we don't have a wireless microphone. So you will join us in this podium to give us the chairman opening remark. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we bring on stage Senior Comrade City Ojowuro.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name still remains Comrade Ojowuro City Yekurawe. First and foremost, I want to appreciate this privilege given to me to represent, rather to chair this great occasion. Secondly, I want to also recognize the person of the Vice Chairman, Warri North Local Government, the past Commissioner in Delta State, the essays to Delta State Government, chiefs, comrades, captain of industries. I want to welcome you all. First and foremost, this is a great and commendable event that has never taken place before, to the best of my knowledge. For the Ijaws to come together, the youth body, the women, the children, the men, to come in one form, in unity, to organize this great occasion. It's indeed a welcome development. That is, to Ijaw youth or whatsoever did a particular crime or whatsoever manner, it will be easily tracked down, if need be, to advise in order to live in that whatsoever social vices. And I appreciate this body. They deem fit to come over to Warri to make me to be the chairman of this great occasion. I appreciate you all. Out of my tight schedule, I said I have to honor this occasion. Being as Ijaw Aborigine, being as Ijaw from Ibema Kingdom, and I think this body is representation of various Ijaw that cut across Ijaw nation. I pray that God will give you the needed strength and wisdom to pilot this great occasion. Also, the newly inaugurated body and the chairman, I pray God will give you the needed wisdom to pilot this great forum to achieve the purpose of this great forum. And I thank all the members that has put a tireless effort to achieve this purpose. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I remain humble.
Those our leader, once I don't get money, they humble well. Once I don't get money, they humble well. Oh, cuckoo, CBN, the pillar, the structure of a Bema kingdom. May you jam your hands as I bring on stage Miss Star Right, aka Make Una Fear God. Please celebrate him, celebrate him, celebrate him, celebrate him. The first rising comedian of the year, all the way from Bayelsa State, Mr. Right, Mr. Right, Mr. Right.
Okay, let's celebrate our own. Clap for see, before you start to talk. When you finish, anybody will go now. We'll go with TB Joshua for deliverance. Thank you. Oh, Jesus! Asemo kona fia kwato. Mokona fia kwato. Well, my name is Mr. Right, all the way from Bayelsa. Shout, shout, Naza Delta. The state way fine past all the state way, there for Nigeria. But not for television, no. Bayelsa State not the only state way. My Governor Dickinson, Ofuruma Pepe, they talk on two governor, don't build airport for us. But still they use another people airport too. Aisa! Aisa! Bidi, Isa! Isa Kanamio! It's on to me about this and I don't know way. Yeah, now. It's on to me about this and I don't know way. The man now, I'm not a young now. I know come to crack a circle. I know come to crack a circle. I come to appreciate the good walk away. Just a good forum. Is on YouTube forum Sapela. They do for his land. If you know so you know the envy tomu. Put your hands together for this old bonge people. People who kata for you na need to fear God too. People who they too good to not clap for them now na not they click clap. Fear God and clap for this old bonge people. Oh Jesus! The sound is in here way. Carry to the wire come to the place need to fear God. I'm supposed to take walk around this whole location to take talk about talk, but there's also time it done like the dog with a name body. I go say, Isa! Oh, Jesus, not time me done for you. I'm supposed to do the work out. I'm not feeling myself. All right. Before I come off for this stage, and I know say for Bayelsa State, who sabi, who they play that team now, don't they play that Michael Jackson sound for my ear?
For Bayelsa State, we sabi claim owners of land well. I remember last year, my landlord they pursue me from my house. Before I know what I can come, I don't get a problem with him. Now here Waka go stand for middle of the river as the flood will come. Now here beginning this out. I say Mokona fear koto. Mokona fear koto. Every time we take claim say we get a land. The owner of land don't come collect am. My landlord they pursue me. Now the water don't pursue and come up for you own house. There is God. This is what I will come, no be only the point of faculty. It has faculty the party for and the reason. And now so many pull up there for everywhere. You don't need so many pull up for anywhere. For inside your house, you gotta mean so many pull. I say, Mokona fear God. Mokona fear God. Because now God and I got a power. Today, that wrong English way, the Phillies say, some man they cry. Because he's so tongue and the best tongue waiting for Nigeria. God don't catapult me from where I put it to the highest level. If you know say you are happy being an insult person, make a joyful noise. Another feel now. All right. Some of us are the reason why carry net we are in the butu. And they can't tell us so we get a plenty story. Anybody will sit down for years is a man, is a woman, our mama and our papa. Now fisi, it take us they feed us before. And until today, we still they cast fisi. Person where my brother they talk say, you suffer sickening, you know suffer ponu. Now sickening you suffer. Me I come to tell on I say, you suffer fisi, you know suffer ponu. Now fisi you suffer. Well, my name now Mr. Right. I'm the president of Ogwaza Republic. One worldwide. I come to grace this occasion to thank each and every one of you for the good work one to do for his whole land. God will go bless all of for now. Yeah, God.
Make some noise for Mr. Right. Thank you. Wait.
Say, now waiting AY they do. Wait, take hammer. This one our own. This is an homogeneous Ijaw personality. I beg, make una support am financially so that he no go trek from here, go back to Bayelsa.
And when you see him, it be like real traditional Ijaw.
We are not just ordinary Ijaw, but we are the genuine Homo sapien Ijaws. Homo sapien.
You dey knock me.
I did tell you when nobody interpreter. We are let's go to the next item.
Ladies and gentlemen,
no time.
to entertain you people, my brother will give you good music.
That is famous.
And
it's progressive band.
aka American dancers from Ajakrama town.
Okay.
Will entertain you people before the cultural troupe will come.
I saw the matter.
Salasele Ogbo. National Dance Troupe.
daddy, bye bye to daddy, bye bye to mommy, bye bye to daddy, bye bye to mommy.
To you, the men version of what you have just seen in the feminine version. Men, are you ready? Over to you, thank you.